What is going on YouTube? Head back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as XRP to US dollar. We're also going to be looking at DueDEX as well as the rest of the current coin market cap. Specifically in today's episode, I want to talk about why we're pretty much falling stagnant in the market, not really seeing any big movements yet, any big jumps to the upside, pulls to the downside and things like that. I really want to give you guys my own personal, transparent perspective of the market, not trying to spread FUD or FOMO or anything like that. I'm not a permabull or anything like that. I'm merely just giving you guys my opinion on the way the markets have been trading, and I've been fairly accurate for most of the time. We've had quite a bit of profitable trades on my Patreon, so I wouldn't knock it until you hear the the analysis. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, as this does help the YouTube algorithm. Remember to follow me on Twitter at CryptoVOfficial. Otherwise, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so yesterday's video I actually posted two, but I talked about obviously the Kobo Vault Pro cold storage hardware wallet. If you guys were interested, that video is up here. And I also talked about this big breakout that could be coming to the market as we are starting to hit resistances. I did want to talk a little bit more in depth on here, and I didn't want to spread FUD. Specifically, I do also want to mention that we are still doing the $200 Bitcoin giveaway, and there is only 7 days left to enter it. It was a month at one point, now it's 7 days left. All you have to do is click the link in the description down below, enter it. There's 1,700 people approximately that have entered the giveaway. We're getting about 2,000 to 3,000 views a video, which means a lot of you guys aren't and haven't yet entered the giveaway. So I highly recommend you take advantage of this $200 Bitcoin giveaway. It's my way to give back to you guys. Links in the description. Sign up to 7 different ways to enter, so definitely make sure to check it out. But to move on to the rest of the video, you can see out of the top 10 cryptos, everything is, besides Chainlink, which is somehow up 26.57%, and it's actually becoming fairly interesting and something that I kind of want to look at. Just LINK, that's very odd. LINK, that's all it is. So let's see what LINK means. Let's see what's happening with a Chainlink crypto that is up 26% in the day. And see, maybe this is foreshadowing anything to cryptocurrency. So Chainlink to BTC. Definitely an interesting resistance. I mean, I can kind of see where the pattern is. These must have been lines from many moons ago. But we do see a few very interesting patterns. I mean, I see it. It's kind of obvious, actually. Let's say we drew this like this. We had our bottom support, kind of hard to find. I'd probably start it closer to there. We draw our top downtrend. Boom, just like this. And you can see the price ends up coming to some sort of, symmetrical triangle, and then we see the pop. That's pretty much what happened right here. What's great to notice about this is it was overbought on the weekly. This is a great sign. This is really what I wanted to see. This does help us analyze the other cryptocurrencies, as it does give hope that these are possibilities. Now you'll notice on Chainlink's price after this 26% massive increase, you'll notice that it became overbought right around here, fell back down. At some point it had to correct in order to pump higher up into the same overbought level. So it retested 78 on 2 occasions. The first time it did that, it was at 0.000, whatever the price is. You can see it was here, and then the second time it went to the same resistance, and it's actually higher in price than it was prior. So this is a great sign. This shows us, though, that correction is needed and consolidation is needed before a pump is, to push the price higher. Now, looking at the other cryptocurrencies, we're probably going to look at, let's do XRP first. XRP is not yet overbought, which is a great sign. This means that the market can head up higher, and I know it will head up higher very soon. It is hitting its moving average as a resistance, so I do believe there's going to be some sort of consolidation needed prior to the breakout. After it retests resistance here, it's probably going to consolidate out and then get the pump that it's looking for. Ethereum, although, is a cryptocurrency that is currently overbought on the weekly. Now, when you compare this to Chainlink, it's not as high into overbought as it currently is, but I don't think it's going to head much higher up. I do believe it's going to probably start to correct back down, dip a little bit lower, pull us back into a more neutral level on the relative strength indicator, and then pump higher up, very similar to what it's done in the past. So something along the lines of this could definitely happen with a cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Ethereum, because we've seen in other cases where cryptocurrencies become overbought on the weekly, as you see here, a correction is needed to lower the price, and then we shoot up even higher. So that's merely what it is that we are looking for in Ethereum and some of the other cryptocurrencies. Now, looking at Litecoin, for example, Litecoin is not overbought yet, which is interesting. It's actually trading at 58 on the RSI. It's doing amazing on its weekly, but we are retesting its resistance. We are moving to a level which is now entangled in its moving average, and there's a good chance it's probably going to see some consolidation before it manages to break bullish inside of here. Do I think that we are going to break through there? Yes, I think easily by the end of the year. I mean, it's already August, so we have September, October, November, December, so we have 4 months left. I am very, very strong on believing that we're probably going to see a breakout to retest at most maybe $85 on Litecoin. I think it's around the corner. I think it's coming. It's just a matter of the consolidation in the other cryptos before it sends this coin up. Lastly, Bitcoin is one that is about to retest its resistance on its moving average, or sorry, on its weekly charts. You can see there's a slight resistance in a downtrend. I don't think it's really anything. I do believe that the consolidation is needed, and I think it is going to consolidate, but I think this coin is also going to pump higher. I think in the next 4 months, Bitcoin is going to move much higher up. I think Ethereum and the rest of these altcoins are going to move much higher up too. As for these cryptos, if you guys are interested in learning how I do trade them, I do link everything in my Patreon below. I post them all the time. With 120 people on my Patreon, it is an incredible group to get involved in and invested in. We all talk about crypto and share very similar interests. So, you don't really have much to lose. It's a very good group, and we do talk about my trades. It's just a way for you to dip your toe into the market. This is not something where I say, okay, guys, go throw all your money into this crypto and take my word for it. No, that's not the point of the course. The course is to help you guys learn. You guys ask me every single day on all my YouTube videos, well, how do I trade this? Well, when should I buy in? Well, when should I sell out? I get emails every day. I get Twitter DMs. I get Instagram messages every day asking me, when should I buy? What should I buy? How long should I buy? And then you guys ask me for my opinion. So I have posted my trades publicly there for you guys to either A, look at, take notes, figure out whether it's a good trade or whether it's a bad trade. I'd say most of the time they're good trades. And B, if you guys were interested in copying them, you're more than welcome to do so, as it is, I don't own a trademark or copyright the way or the amount that I trade. You can definitely check it out. So we do have DueDEX still pulled up here. I mean, DueDEX we've been kind of eyeing for a while now. We did see this big pennant flag that formed, but we broke out. I mean, we capitalized off this massive movement. Now it comes down to, is there more money to be made in this short-term consolidation? There's a very short uptrend here. You can see the clear uptrend. I do believe we're coming to an end here. So I think probably by the end of today, we'll figure out as to what direction this coin would like to break to. I think after the consolidation we just had, we're probably going to pump higher up. But we'll find out. So that's another thing to check out down below. We are consolidating right here. We have an uptrend, we have a resistance, and we are now pretty much in cahoots with it, with a top resistance closer to 11,800 and this bottom uptrend that is pulling us higher. We are retesting, or we pulled ourselves down at the same price. Notice the price is literally the same exact level, but we went from an overbought market of 85 back down to 70, and we look great at the same price. So I do think we're going to see another pump very soon within this crypto. Definitely make sure to take advantage of that. The other cryptos like XRP is having some trouble breaking higher. It really is. It's having some difficulty breaking upwards, but what was needed was this consolidation, which I am very proud that it did. I've been saying this over and over and over again in the past, I'd say, week of videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'd say the past week, the past 7 videos that I've made, I said the market needs consolidation. These cryptocurrencies need consolidation. We all want these cryptos to pump up so much higher, but they can't do that. It's not an escalator up. It might be an escalator up, sorry, but then it is, stairs down. And then once the consolidation is done, once the sideways movement is done, the price normally stays at the same level, and all it does is lower us on the RSI. That's what's happening right now. So the price, from this massive uncertainty here back in August 2nd, you'll notice the price was at 29 cents. current price right now is at 29 cents. But back here, this was the highest point of being on the RSI. This was at 87 on the RSI, the highest point. It's now at the same exact price level, but the RSI is now at 73. So we went from 87 to 73. That's an incredible consolidation point. This allows us and gives us more room to pop higher up very soon. Otherwise, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Like I said, definitely make sure to enter the giveaway, the $200 free Bitcoin giveaway down below. Follow me, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter, CryptoVOfficial, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.